how to start your study journey successfully. Have you ever sat in front of your books trying to focus, but your mind is somewhere else? Do you feel like time is passing, but you're making no real progress? Do you sometimes ask yourself, why can't I study like others? Why does success feel so far away? And stop for a moment. Take a deep breath. Because today I have something important to tell you. Success in studying is not magic, and it's not only for geniuses, it's a simple system that anyone can follow, even you. Today, I will give you the strategy that will completely change your study life. I'll show you how to start your study journey with power, how to study smart, not hard, and how to become a top student, even if you think you're weak in some subjects. But there's one condition: you must listen till the end and start applying from today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Oh, step one, where are you going? Set your destination. Imagine getting into a car and driving fast, but you don't know where you're going. What will happen? You'll keep driving in circles, wasting time, and maybe your fuel will run out before you reach anywhere. This is exactly what happens when you start studying without a clear goal. You need a destination, a clear vision that tells you, this is what I want to achieve. Now ask yourself this question: why am I studying? What do I want to achieve? Do I want to be the top student? Do I want to win a scholarship? Or do I want to prove to myself that I can? Don't just think about the answer. Do you write it down now? Write it on a big paper. Put it in front of you. Make it clear. Because successful people see success before they achieve it. Step 2, don't study more. Study smarter. Do you think that studying for 8 or 10 hours a day is the only way to succeed? Do you believe that top students spend all their time buried in books? If you think this way, you're completely wrong. Success is not about how many hours you study. It's about how effectively you use those hours. Apply the 80-20 rule. 80% of your success comes from just 20% of your efforts. Focus on the subjects and topics that impact your results the most. Don't waste time on unnecessary details. Create a smart schedule, one that is not too strict to overwhelm you and not too loose to let you waste time. Balance your time between studying, reviewing, and resting, because resting is not laziness. It's a part of success. Step 3, study with focus, not just hard work. Have you ever studied for hours only to forget everything after a few days? Do you feel like you study a lot, but your brain doesn't retain information? The reason is simple. You're not using the right study techniques. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, repeat. Use mind maps to make information clearer. Apply Feynman's technique. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it well enough. Study smartly. Don't just memorize information. Understand it, connect it to your life, make it fun. Studying is not a competition of how many hours you spend. It's about how well you learn. Step 4, keep your motivation alive.